successo di questo cantiere.
The success of this shipyard didn't happen by chance. It was the skillful construction of a dream.
La storia di
The story of D. Antonio is so fascinating that it deserves a docufilm.
passione, determinazione e
Passion, determination, and uncommon abilities led the two young founders of the shipyard.
Mark De Antonio e Stan Zmielewski alla realizzazione di un
Mark D. Antonio and Stan Chmielewski to build a small motorboat in a garage, a 23-footer, before eventually, after 13 years, creating their flagship, the D. Antonio D60. The style is consistent with the models that came before it. Purity, linearity, simplicity, habitability, and consistency define it. High vertical bulwarks, straight from the waterline. On the bow sides, a sharp edge deflects the wake and supports the bow as it cuts perpendicularly through the wave. The deckhouse has windows recessed under the roof overhang, a distinctive and simultaneously functional feature. Above, a sun pad, easier to reach than it might seem, provides a private relaxation area. Alternatively, there is a sliding window of the same size as the one on the stern. This is a boat for all seasons, as the deckhouse can be completely closed or fully open. The roof opens, the two side doors near the helm, the aft windows and the glass door to the cockpit. It's incredible how this shipyard always manages to surprise us with ideas that are simple, original and above all functional, allowing the boat to adapt to the weather and even the season. Beneath the sun pad is a large storage compartment for water toys and the tender, and below it are 4 Mercury Verado V12 outboards with 600 horsepower each. The stern platform can lift to become a convenient boarding ladder, or lower into the water to make getting back on board easier. Interestingly, all the mechanisms that move it in the neutral position, the current position, remain out of the water. In the centre of the enormous sun pad is an ice bucket to keep bottles cool. A carbon strip runs across the table, complementing larger decorative strips on the bulwarks. A retractable sunshade extends from the roof to protect the outdoor living area. Inside, the main salon features a dinette with an up and down table that can be extended to seat 6, with 3 folding chairs. The television is easily visible from all indoor and outdoor sofas. Above it, a small sink. But where is the kitchen? The boat is walk-around both outside and inside. There are 2 staircases, one leads to the cabins, the other directly to the kitchen. This layout is perfect for those who want crew assistance, allowing them to operate in dedicated spaces. Speaking of the crew, their cabin, with 2 berths and a bathroom, is located forward and is more spacious than those usually found on yachts of this size. The bow area features seemingly traditional furnishings, but under the sliding sun pad you might find a jacuzzi. Now let me take you to this cabin and ask, do you think this is the owner's cabin? It's large, comfortable and plenty of wardrobe space in 2 closets and even 2 small sofas. Lying on the bed, you can enjoy the sea view. It's so spacious that instead of 1 double bed, you could fit 2 doubles. But no, I'm sorry to say, this is not the master cabin. Now I'll show you the actual owner's suite. Naturally, it's even more comfortable. Located at the centre of the hull, it's the best position for resting, as it minimises the perception of hull movement. There is also a vanity area with a recessed mirror for more counter space, which can also serve as a large desk. On the opposite bulwark, there is a sofa, and there's a walk-in closet and an ensuite bathroom. For the VIP cabin and guests, there's a day head in the hallway.
Prima di portarvi a navigare,
Before taking you out on the water, I wanted to show you the stern garage. This space is enormous, so spacious it doesn't even exist on a 100-foot yacht.
gli impianti bene in vista per facilitare le mani.
All systems are exposed for easy maintenance, and there's plenty of room for storing toys, bicycles, or anything else you want.
Proviamo il De Antonio.
We test the D'Antonio D60 in the waters between Genoa and Portofino.
La postazione di pilotaggio prevede.
The helm station features 3 ergonomic seats, with the captain's seat adjustable to bring it closer to the wheel and throttles if desired.
Ho scelto questa posizione sull'appoggiareni perché è quella per me più comoda.
I chose this position on the leaning post because it is the most comfortable for me, but even standing my eye level doesn't change, providing a perfect view all the way to the bow.
Perfetta ovunque.
The view is excellent everywhere because the deck house is full of windows.
Ha un altro vantaggio questa postazione, è al centro dello scafo.
Another advantage of this position is that it's in the centre of the hull, allowing better boat control, less fatigue, and easy access to both sides, where there are 2 doors.
Velocità di trasferimento.
Nighttime transit speed is 10 knots, with fuel consumption under 100 litres per hour.
Se quando siete al comando volete.
If you want to cool off while at the helm, you can open the hatch above.
Non si vedono, ma ci sono.
You can't see them, but there are 4 outboard engines propelling this vessel.
4 Mercury V12 Verado da
4 Mercury V12 Verados, 600 horsepower each. Right now, we're in first gear. Yes, they have automatic transmissions. Speed is 20 knots.
Non ho dovuto fare niente, né controllare il trim, né.
I didn't have to do anything, no trim or flap adjustments, because the balance is perfect. The hull naturally finds the right angle without intervention. Let's give it some more throttle and shift to second gear.
Non si vedono I motori e non si vede neanche.
You can't see the engines or the hull, so let me describe it. It has 2 steps, a rather unusual configuration for a boat of this size.
Un terzo step incidentalmente.
A third step is incidentally formed by the difference in height between the keel line and the bracket where the outboards are mounted.
In tutto il range che va da 22 a.
Throughout the range, from 22 to 34 knots, fuel consumption per mile remains constant at about 12 litres per mile.
Questo è uno dei grandi vantaggi di questo tipo di scafo. La possibilità di scegliere la velocità di navigazione senza.
This is one of the great advantages of this type of hull. You can choose your cruising speed without having to adjust anything, not even the trim. Now let's push it a bit further.
Spingendosi alle velocità più alte, se.
At high speeds, seeking for maximum efficiency, you can trim, meaning raise the outboard's inclination slightly. maximum speed approaches 47 knots.
Era già un po' di tempo.
It's been a while since I've tested such a large boat with this level of performance.